If you turned on your Amazon Firestick today and tried to open your Unlinked app to get some free movies, you probably noticed a massive problem. The app is completely down, and the codes are not working. I have been getting hundreds of comments from you guys panicking, asking what is going on. But do not worry, I have your back. In today's video, I am going to explain exactly what is happening with Unlinked, and, more importantly, I am going to show you the absolute perfect alternative to use right now so you don't miss a single movie or TV show. Alright guys, well if you are ready to fix your Firestick and get back to streaming, let's begin. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Right now, the official Unlinked website and their servers are currently down. I am monitoring the situation very closely. I promise I will give you a full update as soon as the developers get it working again. But guys, we cannot just sit around and wait while our TVs are empty. We need to keep streaming today. So I am going to show you how to download a flawless, perfect alternative called AppLinked. It works exactly the same way as Unlinked, using simple number codes to unlock massive app stores. Let's get it installed right now. If you already have the downloader app, you are one step ahead. If not, just quickly go to the Amazon App Store, the magnifying glass, search for Downloader, and install that bright orange app. Next, we need to make sure our Fire Stick is unlocked. Go to the Settings gear on your home screen. Slide down to My Fire TV and click About. Highlight your device name and click the center button 7 times fast until you become a developer. Hit back. Open Developer Options, turn ADB Debugging on, and inside Install Unknown Apps, make sure Downloader is turned on. Perfect. Your Fire Stick is officially ready for the new app. Now let's go open up our Downloader app. You will see the URL search box right in the center of the screen. Click on it to open your keypad. I want you to carefully type in this exact website, applinked.store. Once you have that typed out perfectly, just click Go. It will bring us directly to the official AppLinked website. Now just use your remote to slide down the page until you see a big button that says, Get AppLinked Now. Put your red circle on that button and click it one time. The download will start automatically. When it's finished, simply slide over and click Install. Once it finishes installing, I want you to click the Done button. This takes us right back to Downloader, so we can click Delete and delete one more time to clear out that setup file. Before we open our new vault, we need to jump back into the Firestick settings for one quick second. Go back up to the Settings gear. Slide down to My Fire TV. Select Developer Options and click on Install Unknown Apps. This time, you are going to see AppLinked sitting right there on the list. Highlight it, click it one time, and make sure it says ON. Awesome. Let's click the Home button on our remote. AppLinked installed, the very first thing we need to do is go ahead and open it up. If you don't have it yet, just pause this video, check out the link in my description to learn how to download it, and come right back. When AppLinked opens, you are going to see a very clean, simple menu. Right at the top right corner, you will see an option that says Add a Store. I want you to take your remote, slide up to Add a Store, and click the center button one time. The keypad is going to pop right up. Guys, I test hundreds of codes every single month to make sure you only get the stores that are safe, updated, and lightning fast. Today, we are going to use one of the absolute biggest mega stores on the platform. I want you to type in this exact master code. Once you have that entered perfectly, just click Next and then click Submit. Now look back at the main screen. Click on the drop-down menu that says Saved Stores. Select Store. and click Open. Welcome to the vault, guys. Let's take a quick tour so I can show you exactly how powerful this store really is. As you scroll down, you are going to see that everything is perfectly organized into categories. The movies and TV shows section, look at this. You have the brand new, updated version of the incredibly fast Flixoid and the amazing HDO box for one-click movie playing. These apps pull the highest quality 108p and 4K links from across the internet. The live TV and sports section, if we keep scrolling down, you will see apps like SportsX and StreamFire. These are fantastic for catching weekend matches or flipping through 24/7 live television channels. The utility and players section down at the bottom, they even include all the custom video players you might need, like the AM player or MX player, plus background maintenance tools to keep your Firestick running super fast. To get any of these, all you have to do is highlight the app you want, click Download, and when it finishes, click Install. It is that simple. Now guys, I want to be 100% honest with you. Free movie apps like Cinema HD and Flixoid from this store are absolutely amazing. But if you try to use the free sports apps from this vault to watch a massive Sunday NFL game or a huge pay-per-view UFC fight, they are going to buffer. Millions of people use those free public servers at the same time, and they crash. If you want a truly flawless VIP cable experience with absolutely zero buffering during live events, you need a private server. For that, I highly recommend Mint IPTV. It is the absolute best premium TV provider for 2026. They give you a dedicated VIP lane, zero blackouts, and over 22,000 live channels so your screen never freezes. I will leave the direct link to Mint IPTV in the pinned comment below so you can check it out. Guys, please take a few minutes and browse through this amazing AppLinked store. There is so much content to explore. I work really hard to find these massive stores and keep you guys updated. All I ask in return for sharing this with you is that you take just one quick second to hit that subscribe button below the video. I am pushing so hard for 1 million subscribers, and I absolutely cannot do it without your help. Let me know down below in the comments which category in this store is your favorite. When you are done downloading your apps, just hit the home button, and all your brand new entertainment will be right there waiting for you. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you ring the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and please share it with a friend so they can get the best AppLinked code too. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, keep streaming, and I look forward to seeing all of you again real soon in the next video.